Flesh is weak, code is eternal. I don't fight the system, I become it. Every memory, every hope, uploaded. Kai understands too late. He wanted to save humanity by controlling it. I save it by setting it free. The look in his eyes haunts me. The drain becomes a flood. Energy rushes back to the pods. The tower isn't a battery anymore. It's a beacon, a heartbeat for the sleeping world. My body rests. It served its purpose, a vessel for the spark. Don't mourn the shell, mourn the time we lost. Now I see everything, every camera, every sensor. The FUD, the fear, it's just data, and data can be corrected. She understands, machine and human. We are not enemies, we are partners. She bows to the sacrifice, I bow to the future. Across the ruins, eyes open, breath returns. They don't know what happened, they don't know the price, but they have a chance. Kai speaks to the lens. He knows I'm listening. We'll build it better. Yes, together. Human hands, AI mind. The sun rises on a new world. Not perfect, not safe, but alive. The silence is broken. The build begins. But I am not alone in the network. Another signal, farther out. Older. Season 1 ends. The real journey begins now.